This is my design test in Unreal Engine 4. The town I have made is called Hornburg, and it is a futuristic town with an old-fashioned feel to it. So technology is very high, but it has a rather old look to it. Thank you for watching. Here we are in the town of Hornburg. We have, in the previous level, just escaped from the building here, and press on towards the town square. Across the bridge, and here we have the gate, which is our means of escape, but as you can see, it's heavily locked. Now over here there are guards patrolling the market stands. I chose this shot here because it's not entirely obvious where the player needs to go, and the challenge is more in the puzzle itself, getting past the guards, so showing the players the way. Heading past the guards here. They have fairly easy to spot patrol routes, you just have to go at the correct time. I'll climb the ladder here. Now we have a guard there, we probably could have gone then, but we'll show his patrol path. So this guard here basically checks anyone trying to speed very quickly through the level. You can probably try going now, but if you make a sound, he'll hear you. Now's fine. And here we are at the first control tower. Now, remember the symbol on the top of the door. It's the emblem for the kingdom here. Now here we are. Here we have a treasure chest, which I've interacted with, and it's now empty, so it falls to the ground. And we've received the grappling hook, and this is a little cinematic, just giving you a little hint of what you might be able to do with it. But more importantly, we have the first tower done. So that releases a bolt on the gate. And we can use our grappling hook to get across buildings, but obviously not all buildings, just those with chimneys on. We kind of overshot that a little bit there, but it's alright. Now we're at a completely different part of town, with two paths available to us. One path has a lot of guards, so since we're unarmed, probably not a good idea to go this way. Now we'll head this way with the energy fields. You don't want to hit one of these energy fields because otherwise you will be found. And just move very slowly through here. To the left here is a chest, and I'll explain exactly what that does in a minute. It's a slightly more difficult puzzle to go at the correct time. Well, looks like we got hit. So you can see at the top there, that is a stealth meter. If the meter reaches the top, then you will be caught. And in the treasure chest previously, it would have contained an item that removed some of your stealth meter that you'd picked up. But since we hadn't been seen yet, we didn't need to get it. Going through here, we have a little bit of time for the player to rest. We've done 2 locks on the gate, and there are 3 NPCs moving around here. You can talk to some of them. They'll offer some fairly helpful hints as to what might come, or showing their appreciation for you. And we head into the final tower. We've done the final switch, and so there goes the last bolt on the gate. It's not over, as there is now a tank that has arrived on the scene, and it is here that you would do a quick time event to get across and into the water. The water is rigged with mines. Now these mines, if you get hit, it will affect your stamina, your stealth gauge, and the timer at the top of the screen is how much breath you have left. Got clipped by that one there. With these mines, a lot of it is waiting for them to explode or going forward quickly enough. And we've come out of the market square, out of the sewers. Here we have a tank coming towards us, and this is where we do another quick time event to dodge the incoming fire. The fire would then hit the building, and this is where we're going through now. Behind here is a train station. Unfortunately for us, there's a train ready and waiting, so this is our alternative escape plan. Finally, we have a weapon. We are going to need it. If we head up onto the top of the platform, we can cross over to the other side, and we have to make sure we deal with these guards that have been alerted to our presence. And there's one more around here somewhere. There we are. There we go. If you didn't kill those, they would affect your stealth bar. And then we grappling hook onto the chimney. Well, it's not a chimney, it's where the steam comes out. And we've just gotten onto a train, and it's a train that also has the same symbol as what has been used on the control towers. So that is so that the player can now see that they're going into possibly even bigger danger.